Yeah, I still have a lot and lot of work that I need to complete today. It's already been 4:20. How would I be able to complete all of these tasks? It's always been the same due to poor scheduling. What if there was a tool like a PA or something of that sort who would schedule all of my meetings, work, code, all of this stuff? It'd be really amazing, yeah. But sadly, that's only in dreams. And that's not in dreams anymore. Introducing PeerSense AI, a tool which handles all of our work as per a persona and helps you to meet all of your deadlines and be super productive. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into it. So as you can see, it's a AI based tool. How AI based tool, you may ask? It uses AI to actually know what kind of a person you are and schedules all of your tasks as per your likings. For example, I myself am a student as well as a developer. So I like to study in morning time and I like to code in evening time. Again, these are the times where I'm more productive for the same. So this tool will actually analyze what kind of a person I am and then will schedule all of my tasks accordingly. For example, if there is a task for me to study, it will schedule the same in the morning. And if there is a task for me to code, it will schedule the same in evening or in night time. So that's how this tool works. So yeah. So now you may ask, how would I use this tool? I don't know how to install, use or anything. So we also coded a documentation page. You can click on the docs and it will open this documentation page where each and everything for the page has been documented on how to use it and what are the benefits, how it actually works and all of the things. Yeah, you can just click on these steps and it will show how to actually use it on. Now let's actually go to the main part and let's see what the tool actually is. Yeah, so let's click on get started and now it will first of all ask us to log in. Now we'll log in through our Google account. Now why, you may ask? Because the same tool is actually logged in with Google Calendar. So whenever you actually add any task, it will actually link the same thing to the Google Calendar also. Yeah, so we'll get more into later. So here there is an assessment which I need to fill. Yeah, the assessment has been completed. So what it did, okay, so for the first time user, it will give a 10 of so questions of assessment. Again, each and every question is a unique question. The questions won't repeat for anybody. So it depends, depending on what I answer, it will generate the next question and ask you to me. So it does like 10 or so questions, and by this it will actually understand what kind of a person I am. So this is the main step where the PeerSense will actually know what kind of a person I am and how it will be best for me to schedule a task. So here's a basic calendar, very basic app. Let's say that so here in the bottom right, you might not be able to see, but there is a plus icon. So I'll click on that plus icon and it will open a dialog box. It will ask me on what I need to do or what's the task about. So today's 29th of February and there is an exam that's coming on 3rd of March and it will be studied for the same. Let's create a task for the same. I will write, I need to study computer networks. I can't type networks for the upcoming exam. And in this there are 5 chapters. So I wrote the entire thing. Now I'll set a priority. It's on 3rd, so I guess medium would be more than enough, right? Now I need to set a deadline. The deadline is 3rd of March. 3rd of March. And the time, let's say by 11 p.m. of night. would work. Okay. Now I'll just click on add task. So now meanwhile it adds all the tasks and all the stuff for me. Let's discuss on how it works. So it uses AI to actually understand the task and divide the same as per persona. Meanwhile it asks for Google login. Now this time it asks for Google login so that it can actually access my Google Calendar and add all of the tasks there. I'll just approve it. Okay. Now again do all of the works. So it will again use AI and all the stuff. Now the tech stack that we have used for the same is that the front end, like the platform is created in Flutter and block architecture. Then the landing page that we just saw is created in Next.js, React.js and all the stuff, Tailwind CSS. And the documentation stuff has been created in Docker Storage and React.js. And the backend has been created. Actually, the backend is a pseudo microservices kind of a thing. It is created in a Go gene for performance and Fast API Python so that I can actually run AI code and all the stuff. And for database, we have used MongoDB. So that's a very basic thing. Now just see, in this 1 or 2 minutes of conversation, it schedule all of my tasks. It break down the entire task into days and schedule all of that. So it says that, okay, I need to review chapter 1, take notes and all that stuff. It also give what's the max time that I can assign. This is for day 28, 2 days. And for first, here are the things. For second, same things. And third is the actual time by which I need to complete. Okay, everything is sorted. Now as you can see, it has scheduled all of the tasks for me. Also, if you remember, I have mentioned that I like to study in morning. So it actually made sure to actually assign all of the tasks in the morning time itself. So this is for the day 1, day 2, then day 3 and day 4. And here it actually said to relax so that I can be more free. The main point is it actually understands my persona, schedules all of the tasks, and is super duper awesome. Thank you very much.